This mind is very difficult to control, but possible. Our mind more difficult to control than the wind. Here, questions is arise. What should I do? In Bhagavad Gita, 6th chapter, 34th shloka, that same doubts arise Arjun. He asked, he said to Krishna, Sanjalam hi mana Krishna pramadhi balavadradham tasyaham nigraham manye vayoriva suduskaram. Arjun, not ordinary person. Arjun mind was actually so controlled and focused. One story was there. When he was student of Dronacharya, Dronacharya was guru of Arjun. Once he took a test because Guru Dronacharya called all students, all of you come here. He lined up 100 Kauravas, 5 Pandavas, and he said, you see this tree, on the branch one bird is sitting there. Now you take aim its eye. They all are lifted their own arrows and focused the bows and took aim. Now Dronacharya asked his students, first one, Duryodhana, what you see? He said, Guruji, I see tree, branches, leaves and birds. Dronacharya said, I see. Now you go to sit there. Second, he called Bhima. Bhima, what do you see? Guruji, I see tree and branches, leaves, birds also. I see. You go sit there. He called other students one by one. Now he called Arjun. Arjun, what do you see? He said, Dronacharya asked him, or you see a tree? Arjun said, no. Or you see branches? He said, no. Or you see leaf? No. Or you see birds? No. Then what you see? He said, I see birds eye only. This is razor sharp mind, focused. Patanjali, also called Dharana Shakti. This is Dharana. You cannot teach maths, science and any other subject to other animal. But man is clever, full, intelligent and thinking capacity, super power animal. Sri Krishna also accept Arjun's feeling. Yes, Arjuna, what you said, that true. Mind is very difficult to control, but possible. Vairakyena abhyasena grihyade. असंशयो महाबाहो मनो दुर्निग्रहं चलम् अभ्यासेन तु कौन्तेय वैराग्येन च गृह्यते. So we can understand that mind is not just matchbox. Once you burn it and throw it away, it will require effort. It will not happen automatically. But so many things are difficult in our this world. Do you want material gain? You put in effort, material side. Do you want free from death cycle? Don't discourage. Proper practice and with detachment you will gain success. What is detachment? Detachment means you will take the mind off from the negative thought, negative side. One sadhaka says, "What is this? I try so hard to correct my mind, but again it's got spoiled. Why does this happen? Because the mind is material, made of Maya. This world is made of Maya. Mind is also made of Maya. Can you say this external nature is majestic with its mountains and ocean and rivers? It's true. There is more than majestic in internal nature of mind. Our body brought up by food, but mind. Sri Krishna said, "Dadami buddhi yogam tam." I give to proper knowledge, proper guides. This mind divided three parts: Sattva-manah, Rajo-manah, Tamo-manah. Sattvat sanjayade jnanam. You cannot teach any good thought to other animal, but man is alone can get control mind and focusing. You teach your mind, give proper exercise, then only you can get success.